Hi YouTubers, this is Roy again. Going to show you a little something now. I got my Leedskalnin's flywheel. Got my ground coming up from the ground on that pipe. And I got it, it's all ground up there. I want to start off here. I got 4 AA batteries, which adding them up, you know, don't come more than 3 or 4 volts. I got battery cables coming from the AA batteries. I have one to the block, which is not grounded. I got one to my plate over there. I have my 2 coils, 1500 turn, 16 gauge wire. I have the coils connected. I have the positive of the voltmeter connected to the joined coils there, and then I got the negative of the voltmeter going up and going over to this coil that I made of grounding copper wire. And then I got the other end of these coils here going to that battery cable, and it goes up and around and touches the top of the coil. So pretty much it's putting electric into the top of that coil, and then in the middle of that coil I got that ground wire touching. Now also I have the bottom of that coil just right above the magnets, to where each time a magnet will go by it will touch that coil. And I'm going to take you over here and show you the voltmeter, and then I am going to just slowly turn the wheel. And is that unreal? Look at the power I'm getting out of that. Let me change this up to 300 so we can stop hitting 1 here. And look what we're getting. This is 4 AA batteries with my Jimmy rig all coming down through my coils and back up. And I'm just turning the wheel. Like I said, right now I'm not really interested on getting the wheel to turn by itself, because I just did this yesterday, just started experimenting. Really, I'm just playing with it. And I know that since my background is not electrical, I'm a contractor by trade, used to be a barbecue restaurant owner, but what really fascinates me is the fact that all I got to do is turn that just lightly, and look at the meter. I mean, you kidding me? I could probably set these coils up on a, say, wind turbine. Now look at the power I would get just from moving this lightly. I'm gonna go ahead and switch this over to DC or AC. Let's see what we get with AC. Yeah. Are you kidding me? Well, this is probably the most amount of power that I've ever seen come from 4 AA batteries. And to tell you the truth, I haven't seen much on YouTube that could even remotely push out the power without even trying here. And you can just see lightly, I just, I was even thinking about filling this thing with water, but I have all these holes in here. I could seal them up, I guess, and put some water in there, and then take this coil and have it just hang in here and let it just brush the water so I don't have any restriction. But I'm a little afraid when you turn this that the water, well, I guess if you think about it, if you spin a wheel and have water in it, I don't know if the water will come out. It'll probably all congregate to one side. And I think touching the metal versus the water, probably about the same. I don't think it'd be much different. If any of you YouTubers out there are out there experimenting on trying to get more power out of your power you're providing, you know, give me your feedback, because you know, I'm the guy out here that really doesn't put all the pieces together. That this is all AC current here. Let me go back to DC, and that's DC current, just raising the top. Now I'll tell you, you grab a hold of this and grab a hold of that, and when this wheel turns, it knocks me off. It almost should be wearing some rubber gloves, but it jolts me. You know, I'm even going to start messing with my mod over there, and I got my nice light bulb. But you know, there's a lot of experimenting going on. I guess the whole key here is to take little power and make more power out of it. But yeah, I mean, you could just see that I'm lightly turning, and you can see a little spark coming off the mags, touching the flywheel plus the mags. And all these mags are north